In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple table on Figma. We'll start from a blank file and end with a clean, editable table you can style to match your project. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type Figma. Then open the official Figma website. If you land on your dashboard, you're in the right place. Open or create a file so you can work on the canvas. Before we add anything, make sure the right-hand sidebar is set to Design. That panel controls your layer's appearance, things like fill, stroke, text, and spacing, so keeping it on design helps as we set up the table. Now, on the canvas, right-click to open the context menu and choose Manage Plugins. This takes you to Figma's Plugin Manager, where you can find tools that speed up common tasks. In the search field, type Table Creator. This is the plugin we'll use to generate the table structure for us, saving time compared to drawing every row and column manually. When you see it, click Create Table to launch the plugin. A small window will open with options. To proceed, click Create Table again. The plugin will place a simple table on your canvas, rows and columns laid out as individual layers, so you can immediately start customizing. Next, click on text inside one of the cells. You can select the text layer directly, or use the text tool if you prefer. With the text active, start typing your content. Replace placeholder labels with your headers and values, moving through cells as needed. If your text looks cramped, adjust the font size, weight, or alignment from the design panel. You can also tweak padding by changing the text box's line height or by nudging the cell's boundaries. To make columns wider or narrower, drag the cell edges and keep an eye on Figma's smart guides to maintain consistent spacing. For a cleaner look, consider using a single typeface with two weights, bold for headers, regular for body text, and align text to the left for readability. If the table feels heavy, reduce stroke thickness or use a lighter gray for the borders. That's it. You opened Figma, ensured you were in the design view, used Manage Plugins to find Table Creator, clicked Create Table to generate it, clicked into the text, and started typing. With these basics, you can quickly produce tables for dashboards, specifications, or presentations, and style them to fit your design system.